I know how it feels when you start to learn how to develop website, most especially searching for content on YouTube. However, there is overwhelming content online claiming to teach us. The issue is that in the technology field, there is need to adapt. Every year, things continue to change and evolve. WordPress, Wixpiece, and other website providers, they keep on confusing. But in this video, I promised you to share with you the best method to develop website completely free of charge in 2025. So without further ado, I'll show you how I created this website, and this website, and they are all live and they are currently working. And this is the exact website that I also use. So I'm talking from pure experience. The best method, whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, you can equally create your own website completely free of charge. And the best part of this video that everything is what easy to learn. If you are first time meeting me on YouTube, kindly make sure you like this video, and also if you find this video valuable, kindly make sure you subscribe so that anytime I release valuable content of this nature, you'll be the first person to get notified. So without further ado, let's jump into my PC so that I will share with you some of the ways that I've created the best website. Of this tutorial, I want to share with you, in my opinion, two of the best platforms that you can use to design your website compared to one completely free of charge, and you can manage it in your dashboard. And this is called Site 123. This is what I use to design this beautiful website for my consultancy business service that I provide in Ghana. And you can equally develop your personal portfolio website, and there are a lot of websites. So how did I create this one? So the first thing you need to do is search on Google site123.com. When you get it, you'll be landed onto this page. Let me send you to the page so that we start from the scratch. So you'll be landed on this page. And when you get on it, the first thing you need to do is what, click on start here. So when you click on start here, you wait a little bit. When it refreshes, you have opportunity to select the industry or the sector that you want to develop your website. So if you are a business owner, if you want to do an e-commerce store, blogs, if you want to do a restaurant or photography, just to mention few. But there are a whole lot of options available here. For the sake of this tutorial, I've already prepared my idea and I want to use it. So the first thing that I will do is that I'm creating a business website. So I'll click on what? Business. So the first thing I need to do is to type my business name. So for the sake of this tutorial and how to make things very fast and smart way, I decided to create a prompt where I can follow it. I'm an advocate for AI and how it can 10 times our productivity. So you can equally create an account on ChatGPT and jump onto it and create a prompt for your business so that you can equally use the same strategy that I'm using. So you can go to your ChatGPT and tell it that generate a prompt for me to create a website on site 123. You just decide to what? Mention some small description or brief description about the kind of website that you want. So this one is specifically for what? A business idea of selling fresh watermelon to companies. The business idea will be called premium watermelon. So based on that, it gave me this information, and this is the information that I'm going to use on my website. Don't be scared. 90% of the work will be done by the platform. But what the reason I'm here is what? I want to copy the business name so that we'll proceed to the what? Next step. So now let's copy our business name, and you can also use the same business name. The next step will demand that you have to what? Log in or create a new account. So just take your the necessary steps to create the account. For the time's sake, I've skipped that part. So for now, when you put in the business name and you create an account, you have an access to this template for you to create your website. The first thing to do is that make sure that you paste in your business name and select the website category. That means industry that you are operating in. It can be in agric, it can be in automobile, it can be in health. So whatever. So now this is where the magic happen. Give us the description of your website. That's where you have to take your time and make sure that you give a detailed description of the kind of website that you want, so that everything will be customized based on your interest. So the reason why I created the prompt with the AI, with the ChatGPT, this way I'm going to paste it in so that 99% of the work will be done by this platform. So let's go and copy the prompt that I generated so that we can add it to the website creation process. So now let's click on this AI and make sure that we copy. Remember that we copy the first prompt by copying the business name. So now we are going to copy the entire from that describe the kind of website that we want. This is basically just like coding from scratch, but with the power of AI and this tool, we can now do it without editing the template. So now let's go into the platform and paste in the business description. So let's paste it. As you can see, everything is pasted. So now let's open the website. Automatically, we have created the website like that, but we have to wait for a little bit so that it will load and generate the website for us. So basically, everything is processing. The time that we need to code, the time that we need to develop the front end, the time that we need to develop the back end, everything is being generated by the system. This is the essence and the benefit of using this kind of platform, so that it will save a lot of time and you can work on multiple projects anytime you want. So now look at how beautiful it is. Everything is being designed for us, as if we look for the pictures, as if we look for the testimonial on this platform. Everything is freshly designed. You can see a kid with watermelon, and immediately we can publish that the website is ready and can be used everywhere online live. So we can publish it and see how we can view it online. So here's the section to publish it, and let's click on publish and move to the next step. So when we publish it, this is the access link. Please don't click on any of this link. Click on this link. This is the access link to for your website to be seen online, and that's your what? Your domain name. There is one issue that I want to solve here. As you can see, this is the domain name, but it doesn't look customized. At the normal circumstance, the domain name is supposed to be the business name, so it should supposed to be premiumwatermelon.com or premiumwatermelon.org. But because we are using the website free of charge, the only thing that we need to do is to pay for the domain. But as I promised, I will share with you a strategy where you don't need to pay for the domain name and you can get it equally free of charge. So now I will make a separate video on how to get free domain name, and I will show you how to customize domain names like this anytime you use any of the platform that I'm sharing with you in this video. So we'll now proceed to the next steps where we can create our website using another platform. And this same platform, I use it to create this beautiful website called Hyper Business Console, just like I use the sites 123 to develop the Hyper Business Console. How do we create such a beautiful website? We use one of the most popular tools in the graphic design world called Canva. And most people think that Canva is only for graphic designing, not knowing that Canva has a lot of purpose. It is a multi-purpose software. So let's look at some of the things that it can do aside from design graphic. You can see Google Docs, we can see whiteboard presentation, social media, video editing, customize a lot. And one of the things that Canva can do is equally designing a website. So the first thing that you can do to create your own website is to search for the website button, or you can equally search for what? Website, and click on the appropriate link to get access to the template where you can edit to become standing and professional looking website, just like the one that I show you. As you can see, there are a lot of templates available to add. So based on your business needs, you select the color, or if you love the template, you can equally select any template and change the colors and add your logos to your business. So these are free methods, and I don't think there is any way you can get this best affordable kind of website. So let's just pick a template and demonstrate small so that we'll end the session with this part. So let's pick this free template like this. So the first thing you need to do is what? Click on the three icon button here. So when you click on it, there is a pop-up menu where you can click on a customize template. You can change everything within. You can change the color, you can change the pictures, you can change the elements, everything within the template you can change it. For time's sake, let's assume that we have edited our template and we want to publish it so that we can access it online, and therefore we can pick the domain and also edit it based on the method that I said I'll be sharing in the comment or the description section. Do well and watch that video. And by now, if you have received some value from this video, don't forget to subscribe. So this is premium watermelon. I have made sure that I paste some details about it here. You can edit it or paste it. You can use the ChatGPT details that we created initially and paste it. You can also decide to change the pictures if you want to add your own picture, just like how I added my own, and you can edit everything based on how you want it. So when you are done with it, the next step is to what? Is to publish it. If you see this section here, it's called publish your website. You click on it and wait small, there will be another publish where we can publish and get our link. So let's wait as it loads in second. We pick our domain name, which is not actually customized.